How to add a domain to your account in Plesk. This demo assumes you've already logged into Plesk. Now let's learn how to add a domain to our account. Click the Add New Domain button. Enter the new domain name you want to set up. Choose whether you want to use the recommended DNS settings or your own custom settings. Then choose the hosting type for this domain. In this case, we want the domain to have its own website, so we'll leave website hosting selected. Choose whether you want the preferred domain to have the www prefix or not. When ready, click OK. That's it. The new domain has been created. To delete a domain, click the Remove Website icon here. This is the end of the tutorial. You now know how to add a domain to your account in Plesk.